Hi guys, welcome to another Tune a Week. This week I'll be playing and teaching you how to play Battle of the Somme for St. Paddy's Day. I'll be playing on this Scott Cao Bench made instrument, but the fingering will be done separately so you can see the tapes for those of you who want to have an idea where to put down your fingers. I hope you enjoy it, and for all of you that are stuck at home for one reason or another because of the coronavirus, be safe, and hopefully this will give you something to do while you're stuck at home. One more thing, I added something new on the scrolling sheet music. If you're playing on the A string, the notes will be red. If you're playing on the D string, the notes will be blue. And if you're playing on the G string, they'll be green. Let me know if that helps. And here is my A for those of you who want to tune and play along with me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon for another Tune a Week.